Keep seeing people online saying, oh my gosh, I wish I was in the Maldives. Listen, just give me some fresh pesto, 70 degrees, maybe some chicken cutlets. That's pretty much the same thing. Ugh. Y'all have asked for the longest time to see my natural hair. So here it is, natural color and just natural state. I made fresh pesto yesterday and I genuinely forgot how good it is, okay? Woo! So how y'all doing? Good. I'm glad to hear that. Honestly, I'm doing pretty good too, all things considering. My son, he's 1 today. Do I look old enough to have 2 kids? I got a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old. Do I look old enough for that? You know, maybe like don't answer that question because everybody on the internet seems to think that I'm in my 40s. I'm 27. Please. At this point, I just think people say that to maybe get a rise out of me. I don't know. Listen, I just feel like after being pregnant for what felt like 3 years and nursing, I feel like I'm starting to get my pink back a little bit, you know? Doing my makeup, getting dressed for the day, don't mind this. I'm in party planning mode right now, so I didn't get dressed today. Something about a little bit of makeup and getting dressed, getting the kids dressed, and just going out, even if it's just to get a coffee. There's just something about that. It's really good for mental health. So what shows are we watching right now? I watched Paradise on Hulu with Carl. That was fantastic. We're on season 3 of The White Lotus right now. I don't know what station that's on. I don't know what that's on, but White Lotus, we're on season 3. We're all caught up. That's good too. There's these mini-series on Netflix, and it's basically they're based off of Harlan Coben books, I believe. They're really good. They're like 6 episodes. They're short and sweet. You get what you need and they're done, okay? I really enjoy those. I literally, when I was having lunch, I started one, so we'll see about that. Switching gears here, this morning, the kiddos and I headed up to a local bakery. I ordered the cutest sugar cookies as favors for tomorrow because, spoiler, the theme of the birthday is one happy camper. Get it? Because we have a camper and Grayson's such a happy boy. I know. It's so clever. I'll insert a picture of the cookies here. They copied the inspo picture that I sent to them exactly. Like, they couldn't have done a better job. And they're delicious. Carl and I split one already. As far as setting up for the party, we have furniture moved around, but that's pretty much it. We like to wait until the kiddos go to bed to actually start putting together things because then it'll be perfect in the morning, okay? And we don't have to worry about anything happening. The UPS guy just walked up and that was so awkward. I don't think he realized that I was in my car. So I just said hi to like not make it awkward, you know what I mean? I feel like that was good. I feel like that just describes me, you know? I'm a pretty extroverted person, but I'm an introvert at heart. Like, I like to be in my house with my people, but I also could like talk to anybody. Like, I could have a conversation with a wall, you know? So I'm just gonna use this brush because like I gotta hurry up here. Oh yeah, some glitter. Ooh, I can't see what that looks like, so let me know. Does that look good? Does that look terrible? I mean, not terrible for no mirror. I'll talk to you guys later. Happy Friday. Bye.